This is a redemption exercise for Shabbat Chazon, the Sabbath of Vision, that I heard from Rebbetzin Shulamis Tilles in 1996 in Tzfat, and these Artnotes are from that class. Let us use our power of vision and imagination to create our own personal vision of redemption. Redemption is for every single Jew on a personal level. What redemptive quality can you envision in your life now as you think of your personal descents and ascents? Redemption is a process of descents and then greater ascents. How do you see this happening in your life? What redemptive quality do you aspire to? What redemptive qualities have you grown into that you live with as a result of your personal exiles and redemptions? How would you like it to be when you think of yourself as a Jew with an essential godly soul that is looking for expression? How do you see that for yourself and those around you? How can you envision yourself expressing a redemptive soul quality in your everyday life? What is one change that you are willing to make to express this Jewish soul quality, to live with the redemption? How do you envision releasing your Jewish soul power in your everyday life to live with the times of preparing for the actual coming of redemption? May it happen immediately in our day, in our time, today.